Little black specks just look like they're painted on his leg in the right places. Oh, they don't like each other.
Silent communication, I guess.
Yeah. Gonna get him again. Here we go.
Hope he doesn't like my orange shirt. You're getting way too close, big boy.
Here he comes. Uh-oh. Oh, he took his tail off. He bit his
Jeez.
tail off.
Jeez. Not very nice. How can they beat that?
Oh. That's how he lost his tail.
Look at that tail still moving. It's alive, for goodness sakes. Isn't that amazing?
I'll be damned. You're a bad little boy. It must not have hurt him. You'll have to turn that one into National Geographic.
Jeez.
Go show that to Mary now.
Jeez.
You know, his tail didn't bleed very much, though.
No, didn't.